Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Qualitative Methods in Risk Analysis. Qualitative methods in risk analysis play a crucial role in understanding and mitigating risks in various sectors. Unlike quantitative methods that rely on numerical data, qualitative methods focus on understanding the underlying causes, potential impacts, and perceptions of risks through non-numerical data. This approach allows for a nuanced understanding of complex risk scenarios, often capturing the subtleties and dynamics that quantitative methods might overlook. One of the primary qualitative methods used in risk analysis is expert judgment. This involves consulting with individuals who have extensive knowledge and experience in a particular field to identify and assess potential risks. Experts can provide insights that are not easily quantifiable but are crucial for a comprehensive risk assessment. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, experts might evaluate the potential risks associated with a new drug based on their understanding of similar drugs and their side effects. This method relies heavily on the expertise and intuition of the individuals involved, which can be both a strength and a limitation. While expert judgment can provide valuable insights, it is also susceptible to biases and subjective views. Another significant qualitative method is the use of scenarios. Scenario analysis involves creating detailed narratives that describe different potential futures based on varying assumptions. This method allows organizations to explore a range of possible outcomes and prepare strategies for different contingencies. For instance, a company might develop scenarios to understand how changes in regulatory policies or market conditions could impact their operations. By considering multiple scenarios, organizations can identify potential risks and develop more resilient strategies. However, the effectiveness of scenario analysis depends on the creativity and thoroughness with which the scenarios are developed. Interviews and focus groups are also commonly used qualitative methods in risk analysis. These methods involve gathering information directly from stakeholders through structured or semi-structured conversations. Interviews can provide in-depth insights into individual perspectives on risks, while focus groups can reveal collective views and the dynamics of group decision-making. For example, a company might conduct interviews with employees to understand their perceptions of workplace safety risks, or hold focus groups with customers to gauge their concerns about product reliability. These methods can uncover valuable information that might not be evident through quantitative surveys alone. However, the quality of the data obtained through interviews and focus groups depends on the skill of the interviewer and the willingness of participants to share their honest views. Document analysis is another qualitative method used in risk analysis. This involves examining existing documents, such as reports, policy papers, and organizational records, to identify potential risks. Document analysis can provide historical context and reveal patterns or trends that might indicate emerging risks. For instance, an organization might analyze past incident reports to identify recurring safety issues or review regulatory guidelines to understand compliance risks. This method can be particularly useful for uncovering risks that have been previously overlooked or underestimated. However, the quality of the analysis depends on the availability and reliability of the documents being reviewed. The Delphi method is a structured qualitative technique that involves multiple rounds of anonymous surveys with a panel of experts. The goal is to achieve a consensus on specific risk issues through iterative feedback and refinement. In each round, experts provide their opinions on the risks, and the results are aggregated and shared with the group. Experts then revise their opinions based on the feedback, and the process continues until a consensus is reached. The Delphi method can be particularly useful for addressing complex and uncertain risks where expert opinions may initially diverge. However, the process can be time-consuming and requires careful coordination to ensure that the feedback is effectively integrated. Incorporating qualitative methods into risk analysis offers several advantages. First, they allow for a holistic understanding of risks by capturing the experiences, perceptions, and insights of various stakeholders. This can lead to more comprehensive and contextually relevant risk assessments. For example, in the field of public health, qualitative methods can help identify social and cultural factors that contribute to health risks, which might be missed by purely quantitative approaches. Second, qualitative methods can be flexible and adaptable, enabling organizations to explore new and emerging risks in a dynamic environment. This adaptability is particularly important in fields such as cybersecurity, where new threats constantly evolve. Despite their strengths, qualitative methods also have limitations. One major limitation is the potential for subjectivity and bias in the data collection and analysis process. For example, the interpretation of interview responses can be influenced by the researcher's perspectives and assumptions. To mitigate this risk, it is essential to use rigorous and transparent methods for data collection and analysis, such as triangulation, where multiple sources of data are used to corroborate findings. Additionally, qualitative methods can be resource-intensive, requiring significant time and effort to conduct interviews, focus groups, or scenario analyses. This can be a challenge for organizations with limited resources. To enhance the effectiveness of qualitative risk analysis, it is often beneficial to integrate qualitative and quantitative methods. This approach, known as mixed methods research, leverages the strengths of both approaches to provide a more comprehensive risk assessment. For example, quantitative data can be used to identify patterns and trends, while qualitative data can provide deeper insights into the underlying causes and implications of those patterns. In the context of climate change risk assessment, quantitative models can predict the potential impacts of climate change, while qualitative methods can explore the social and economic factors that influence vulnerability and adaptive capacity. In conclusion, qualitative methods play a vital role in risk analysis by providing a rich and nuanced understanding of risks that complements quantitative approaches. Methods such as expert judgment, scenario analysis, interviews, focus groups, document analysis, and the Delphi method offer valuable insights into the complex and dynamic nature of risks. While these methods have limitations, their strengths in capturing the experiences and perceptions of stakeholders make them indispensable for comprehensive risk assessment. By integrating qualitative and quantitative methods, organizations can achieve a more robust and holistic understanding of risks, enabling them to develop more effective risk management strategies. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.